Hello, let me introduce you to the water heater bucket. This device right here is capable of handling a leaking water heater containing the water, rust granules, and other materials that will leak out of a leaking water heater. The position it currently is in is having the walls folded over to help keep it in the upright position. The mat, that is a protective mat, contains 1/4 inch rubber here and 1/4 inch rubber here, encased in the same material as the bucket's made of. If you utilize this mat in this bucket, the bucket will be protected from any sharp edges that are on the legs of the water heater or the sheet metal screws that you will see on the bottom edge of the water heater. Go ahead and show those screws. Application of use is very simple, and that's what makes this tool so useful. You simply take a water heater, you walk it towards the bucket. Take your foot, stick down the edge a little bit, and walk the water heater up inside of the bucket. Automatically pops back up once you've done this. It's preferred to have the gas controlled towards the front when you're going through the house. Now, you would take the wall of the bucket, flip it back up. It's much the same as, say, a cuff on a shirt. You take the strap, you bring it through the 2 front loops that you see here. Hold this wall tight, pull this through the side loop on the side. As you can see, you can actually adjust the bucket to tighten to the water heater. Attach that Velcro strap to the Velcro. This strap was a strap used for simply rolling up the water heater bucket for transport. These handles in the front are for lifting. So a person could lift with these handles, or you could with these as well. Next, you want to utilize a Movers 2-wheel dolly that has straps. You want to be able to secure the water heater